You guys, this mushroom stroganoff, it's so good. It's with egg noodles and with mushrooms and with sour cream. Has no meat at all, so it's great for a vegetarian dinner date or, you know, any dinner date because it's delicious. It's super quick, it's super easy, it's super delicious, so let's make it. First, butter of course, and onions. And now we're going to cook these until they're nice and soft. And once they smell like you just want to take a bath in onion, grab your mushrooms, nice and sliced, and in they go. And then you want to season them with a bit of salt and pepper as they cook. So now as the mushrooms cook, you will A, get a facial steam, and B, see juices emerging. And you want to cook your mushrooms until almost all of the juices have evaporated again. Now once these are done, we have some thyme, garlic, and then a pinch of ground nutmeg, which may sound really freaky, but trust me, it adds so much to this cream sauce. Just try it. Now we come to the minimal tricky part of the recipe, which is adding flour and then wine and making sure that we don't end up with a lumpy sauce. So sprinkle this flour over your mushrooms, then stir, stir, stir. Do not burn the flour because that will ruin your date night. And then embrace the vino, but do not get too excited about it because the alcohol will just cook right off. So sorry, you do still need to buy a bottle of wine to go with your meal. So stir, stir, stir. You don't want lumpy sauce that's just about as bad as garlic breath on a day. Oh wait, I put garlic in there. Sorry, not sorry. Now this is us almost done with the sauce. What you want to do now is whack up the heat. Not too much, but you know, a little. So finally, veggie broth. Just pour that in there. And now we're going to stir this because again, you know, the lumps, avoid them. And now we're just going to let this simmer and then we'll finish it with a little bit of Dijon mustard and with sour cream and toss it in delicious pasta. For the perfect finish, what you want to do here is use the lowest heat setting and just toss until your noodles are nicely covered in a thick luscious sauce.